Hey, good day everyone. I'm happy to bring you these self-centering drill bits here from EazyArc. Let's check these things out. Well, here's a look at this nice case they come in too. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff here. Got a whole bunch of different sizes of those. Also comes with a bunch of bits as well. So got an extended Phillips, a flathead, and smaller Phillips, and then a star-shaped pattern. Look at this one too. Now for using these things, the adjustment is right there. So it comes with a nice extension here so you can readily swap them out. So you just put this into your cordless right there, and then you can slide your bits in here. Got your Phillips, you can pop your flathead in there. Look at that, that's really nice. Got a nice countersunk hole right there. I like how sharp the corners are. You could use these for cabinet making, anything, you know, these are some precision bits. So if you want to get the same repeatability on your drill holes and your countersink holes, then this is a great kit to use. Go ahead and use one of these. And this is one of those that retracts, so you can set that to a certain depth. You can have your depth set. See, it'll only go down so far. See, on that one we didn't go through the back because it's set at this depth right there. So you're only going to go through probably even less than that. You're only going to go through that distance right there. So it's really nice if you don't want to drill to the other side, you want to control your depth. These are perfect for that. Okay, I'm going to make it so that this thing sits flush using the countersink holes. Actually, it will sit below the depth of the wood. I want to set it up for this screw, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and use this countersink, the smallest countersink I got, countersink bit. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. Okay, right there's what I was shooting for. Pop this off, pop my nice new Phillips bit in there, and we'll sink the screw below the depth of the surface of it. There we go, just what I was after. Now you could take some wood filler and cover that up. I really like this case too, because when you're done you just pop them in there like that. It's real nice too, because when you're done, just close it up and latch it. All right, you guys, really happy with this drill bit set. Thanks for watching.